Beauty. It's your best friend in beauty here, Quia Robinson, and this is going to be a really quick video, but I actually created a digital vision board recently, and this is something that I've never done before, and I recorded the process for you. So I just want to hop over to my screen really quickly, right over to Canva, and show you how I created my digital vision board. All right, so welcome to my laptop. So to create my digital vision board, I'm going to use Canva. So just go ahead and go to canva.com. And I use Canva for a lot of things. So this is just like the easiest way that I know how to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and do a search for desktop because I think I want to have my vision board on like the desktop of my computer. And then also I'm going to play around with changing the sizing to actually do one for my phone. But starting off with desktop first, what I absolutely love is that they kind of already have some vision board templates already. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on one. This one looks really cute to me. I like that they already have like, this kind of layout. So I can just go ahead and, put my pictures there. I did a search already. See, I've already been looking around, but you can do a search for vision board just to like narrow it down even more. And then it will bring up all of these different templates right here, as you can see, for like a vision board, or you can create one from scratch totally. But I think I like the idea of having the template already because I don't have that many, I don't think I had that many pictures. And I could always go and like add pictures on top of the ones that's already here. Oh, I love this because I love Polaroids. I like the idea of this too, but let me see. I think I want to, this one is cute too. I think, Dad, this is so hard. I think I want to try this one. This one looks pretty cool. This is giving me vision board vibe. So what I did is I already had my list already with my goals and everything, but based off of my list of goals, I went to Google and I did a search for like keywords based off of my goals to find some images that I like to go along with it. So as long as they make sense to you and you know what they represent, that's all that matters. So I'm going to go ahead and these are my images right here from here up. These are the images that I chose. And then you can also add like some words and everything like that if you want to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take this image, select it, and then drag it over top of one of the pictures already. That looks good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that and just start dragging them in no particular order. Ooh, I like the way that's looking. Drag them over like that. And as you can see here, her face is kind of cut off a little bit because of how this template was formatted. So I'm just going to click on the picture. I'm going to go up here to crop, and then I'm going to drag her picture down a little bit. Let me see if that worked. It worked a little bit. I'm more so focused on the body, yada, yada, okay? Like her body is so sick to me. So you can drag it down like that so it can fit. Let's do this one. Let's see if I put her here. So like I said, as long as you know what it's all about, then period. So I'm just going to continue this process. Do I want that one there? I wonder if, let me try something really quick. I'm going to do the back arrow just to undo that. And I'm wondering if I can like expand this a little bit or change it to get a little bit wider. Maybe not. It's all good. I know what this represents. I might slide it over a little bit, do the little crop thing and slide it over a little bit so you can see the other person. But yes, cool beans. I'm gonna drag over. So you just continue this process. So put this one right here. I know what this represents as well. So I could put that there. There's something going on in the background. And I'm pretty sure you can move these around as well. So if you want to see them more, let me see if I can slide this over. Yeah, slide this over and up a little bit so you can see it a little bit more. It looks like it's something back there as well. This was super easy. I absolutely love doing vision boards. I think, let me see. For this image, what you can do is go up here to position and then bring it forward so that it can be on top of the image here. So it brought it forward on top of there. I might switch over, move some of these over a little bit because I want to see. them a little bit more. So just play around with it. I might have to bring her, I'm gonna leave her here. Or I could bring her down some because I know what this represents. So I don't need to see her full face. But yeah, this is an example of how you can do a vision board. Let me see. Let's change the words just for sake of this video. I'm going to say savings, monetization, I'm gonna say community, or maybe I say networking. This is somebody that I want to meet this year, right here, David Shands. Friends, let's see, I'm gonna say wellness right here. So this is just an example of how you can do your vision board. I kind of want to play around with another template. So I just added a page. I'm going to go back over here to templates. And I kind of want to play around with the one with the Polaroids because I absolutely love Polaroids. Like I have a Polaroid camera here. So let me see. See, that one you can't really see that. Let's try this one because it has a little bit more. I just love the way this looks. So I'm gonna decide which one that I wanna, I'm probably gonna need more Polaroids, but I'm gonna decide which one that I want to use. This is so cool, oh my gosh. I used to do vision boards like the traditional way with like cutting out, all the clippings and everything like that. But I feel like this is such a cool way to do it because, we're saving the environment, right? You don't have to cut up paper and all of that good stuff. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. So this is just another example. You see how quick this is too? Super duper quick. I could change the color of this background. So if I just select this and I can make it black. I could do this. I kind of like that color. Ooh, that's cute too. But see, you can get super duper creative because even though this is here, I could still like add my other pictures if I wanted to, like on the side. If I wanted to, I could add other things onto this, document. Twist it, make it bigger, make it smaller, you know what I'm saying? So even though you have your Polaroids there, you can also add like other things on the side. So absolutely love it. And this one. So get cute with it, have fun. I would love to know if you do digital vision boards. This is my first time actually doing something like this, and this is fun. I love anything on the computer. Super fun, super convenient. I absolutely love it. So this is David Shands, so you can change the words. You can change the font if you want to. Up here, you could choose a different font, like that. Kind of like the one that it was at first. That was cute with the cursive. But yes, 2022 vision board. So go ahead and get started. Make sure you write down your goals and do that. Let's see. So like I said, I think I might want to format this. And this is just an example. I'll show you what the finished product looks like once I decide like what I want to go with. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here to resize. And I'm going to click on Instagram story. And you could just resize the document by itself. Or if I didn't want to mess this up and I still wanted to have like my desktop version, I would do copy and resize. So I'm going to do copy and resize because I still want to keep the desktop version, but I also want to play around with the version that I want to put on my phone. So that's why I chose Instagram story, because Instagram story is going to give you that format for like your phone. So you see how it changes it up a lot, like quite a bit. So then you would just have to come in here and like start playing around with it to make it fit, for your phone. So you can expand it, do your thing. Play around with it, okay? This has a block behind it, so you have to move the block and move the words as well. savings. Yeah, have fun with it. And remember, if there's a like how this is behind the picture, if you want to bring it forward, you would just make sure that's selected, click position, and then click forward so that it could be on top of the picture or to the front, one of those. Yep, to the front. So that it could be on top of this picture instead of behind it if you wanted to see it a little bit more. But yeah, you get the program, right? You get where I'm going with this. So all you do is play with it and just have fun. This is not super hard at all. I'm just literally dragging, dropping, expanding things and putting them back into place. So this is if I wanted to have a version that goes onto my phone. So I'm gonna have one for my desktop on my computer and one for my phone so that I can see it at all times. I do a lot of work on my phone and on my computer. So this is something that I want to be able to see, you know, frequently. Put this to the back again. Yeah, but you get the idea, right? So let me expand it just to see what it looks like. I'm definitely going to play around with this some more, just to make it look a little bit more, you know, prettier. Maybe add like some dollar signs on here or something like that. Some actual words of affirmation or actual like dollar amounts that I want to achieve and stuff like that this year. But for the most part, this is what it looks like. And then if I go back here, this is what, you know, the desktop version looks like. So yes, indeed. I hope that this was helpful, and I'm going to show you what my finished product looks like in a moment. All right, so I am back. So this is the finished product. I think I'm happy with it. I added a couple of things, and I think it's also important for you to add yourself to the vision board. You are the vision. You are part of the vision, and you need to see yourself amongst, you know, all of these amazing things that you want to accomplish. So I added myself to the vision board. I added this CEO here because, yeah, this is the boss vibes that I'm trying to give. I added this because I do plan on investing in some crypto and, you know, all that good stuff this year. And I added this back here to represent my podcast and everything like that. But yes, this is the finished product. So this one will go on my desktop. And then this is the finished product of the one that will go on my phone. So it's pretty much the exact same thing, just a different, you know, different layout, different format and everything like that. So yes, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have created a digital vision board yourself. Like, leave me a comment and let me know, like, what are some of the goals that you're trying to accomplish this year? And, you know, how do you plan on achieving them? But go ahead, get that digital vision board together if you haven't done one already. And cheers to your success, of course, in the new year and thereafter.
I hope that this video was helpful. If you ever created a digital vision board before, comment below and let me know. If you like videos like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up so I can know to create more videos like this. I absolutely love Canva, and there's tons of other things that I can show you in Canva. Other than that, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Tune into the Friends of Beauty podcast every Wednesday. Join the Friends of Beauty Facebook community. Follow me on social media at Friends of Beauty and at Aquia Robinson to stay connected. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.